Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got a 2023 Pete 389 with a factory 605 X15 Cummins, 18-speed automatic. It's only got 231,000 miles, fresh out of detail, everything sanded and polished on the aluminum, all new rubber. It's got an extended factory warranty with it, full lockers and a wet kit as well. 46,000 pound rears. A really loaded up truck. If you need something a little heavier spec, need a wet kit already hooked up for you, this is definitely the way to go. Love the coffin sleeper on this one. Let's go ahead and get started looking at it. I'll start out with underneath the hood, finish up on the inside. Let's get started. Body and paint is spectacular. Back of the cab is in fantastic shape. Frame rails are in good shape. This is a air slide fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels, air track suspension. This one's also got disc brakes. Love that aspect. Comes with a factory split tank for your hydraulic and diesel fuel. Platinum interior. Extremely clean on the inside. There's your locker switches, extra gauges. 231 on the miles. Love the digital dash, smart wheel controls there, power everything. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this truck or anything else, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.